That's a question. Why don't you join Bollywood? Have you ever been asked?
So never thought of joining films as such or something?
I was actually, you won't believe it, I was asked by one great Indian actor who we all used to look up to. In fact, even turned up in England to ask me to act in a film. But you know, I was puzzled. I won't name him because, it'll be embarrassing. But
No, it's a credit to him.
About puzzling like this.
okay, it was, Devanand, who in my time was a great man. But
Well, good for Devanand. I think it was a great idea.
But it's for me, it is just, it's strange that how can someone, just because I'm playing cricket, how can I become an actor? It makes no sense to me. Actually, also someone else, Ismail Merchant once asked me to act in a film. But again, I was always puzzled that how can I act? I mean, I couldn't even act in a school play. Forget about, going into films.
But I mean, he looks good enough to act in a Bollywood film. Right. Okay. How about this girl here? Actually, I meant you earlier.